Hi, this is Andrew, and I know 2021 is coming. So one of the questions that a lot of people are asking me is that what business can I start in 2021? Because in 2020, the market, right, or the business world has totally changed. So if you want to start a business in 2021 or now, then these are my top 3 business. If I were you, I would start these top 3 business. I'll choose one of them to kickstart. If you want to know what are these 3, so watch this video till the end. Okay, now I've been doing my own business for the last 20 years. So going into the 21 years in next month, you see. So in this year, 2020, the market has totally changed. So if you really want to start your business and you have low capital, these are my so-called list of 3 business I would start if I were you right now. Yeah, and all these 3 businesses you can start with a very low capital, maybe even less than 4 to 5k ringgit. So the first one, which is my favorite and is the easiest to start with, is to sell physical products online, which is the e-commerce business. So if you are following me on this channel, you can see that I promote a lot of e-commerce business, because e-commerce business is only like a replacement. When I say replacement, meaning that people do not buy offline, but they buy from you online. Yeah. So with today's situation, more people actually go online and buy products. So this is definitely a growing trend. So if you want to start something that you think you want something easier to start with, sell physical products online, which is the e-commerce. Okay. Now, you want to learn more about the e-commerce store, how to start your own e-commerce business. Here, these are the videos that you can watch that I've done before, yeah, to teach you step by step how to start your own e-commerce store at this moment. Now, my second choice is an online training, coaching, and consulting. If you have skills, knowledge, or experience that you think you can help others, right? Others, it doesn't have to be a business related. It can be even like, for example, teaching children how to draw online, okay? Even teaching maths or tuition online. These are so-called part of the online training. Yeah. Besides training, you can do even like a one-to-one coaching or small group coaching for young children or anyone, as long as you have the right skills. Even you can actually teach people how to exercise. Today there are businesses like Peloton and a lot, okay, of all these fitness, right, virtual fitness trainers going online to teach people. And these are the things that you can do. And the beauty is that if you are a virtual fitness trainer, you can actually get clients from all over the world. So all of them can just gather in front of their computer or just the phone, and then you can start exercise, and then you can help coach or correct them. Yeah. So these are things that you can do it right now. Yeah. And so from training, you can do a coaching and also the consulting online to your client everywhere in the world. Now, you want to learn more about online coaching? Okay, here's another video, right, that I do to talk about online coaching. You can watch that in details. So how I would start my online coaching business right now. My third favorite will be a freelance service provider. You can provide your service, okay? When I say freelance, means that you work for yourself and you provide service to other people. It can be other businesses. Let's say, for example, if you know how to do social media marketing, you can help small business to promote the business using social media. If you know how to create a website, then you can create websites for all these small businesses. Now, furthermore, it doesn't mean they have to be a so-called IT related. It can be accounts. If you are good in accounting, you can help businesses or entrepreneurs to do their bookkeeping and so on. So there are a lot of things that you can do. It depends on what skills you have. So if you have skills that you think you can help other people or other businesses, so this is a chance that you can create your service online. All you need is just a website and use social media to promote your business to your potential customers and start your so-called freelance service business. And this is like totally like very low capital that you can start almost immediately. Now, if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, and you can share to the people or your friends who want to start their new business in the coming 2021. Now, if you have any good ideas, I would love to hear from you. Do leave your comments right below. Then it gives me more ideas. And also, if you have other questions, what you want to learn more in 2021 related to entrepreneurship or online business building, then leave a comment so that I can create videos just for you guys. Now, by the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, we publish every week on online business tips and to teach people how to create an e-commerce business or online business and how to grow them. So what is the online marketing strategies and so on. If you're interested in these topics, do remember to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish, you will be notified. I hope to see you real soon in my next video. So enjoy the rest of the 2020.